Hey, it's Ashley. As you know, I just started my own singing channel, and I just want to sing just Payphone by Maroon 5 just to see what you think. But every Friday now, I'm going to be singing a song just to see what you think. So, here it goes. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. Say it's too late to make it, or is it too late to try? If your time now you wasted all of my bridges burned down, I wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sunsets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. Then all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. I'm at a payphone